12 fennel seeds benefits you need to know. Most of the time, fennel seed is used as a spice in cooking, but little do we know that they have been used in traditional medicine for the health benefits they contain. They were mostly used in ancient Egypt for their benefits to the breast and their role in milk production. Not only this, but fennel seeds were also used for weight loss in ancient China and Asia. It is a very common kitchen item, but we simply don't know about its real value. There are many other health benefits of fennel seeds that you'll be surprised to know. We'll discover all of them in today's video. So without further delay, let's get to the 12 ways that fennel seeds can help you. Number 12. Better skin. Fennel extract is a miracle for the skin because it protects it from damage caused by free radicals and makes skin cells live longer. Some essential minerals that are required by your skin to rejuvenate, like potassium, selenium, and zinc, are found in large amounts in these plants. Also, the balance of your hormones and the amount of oxygen in your blood depends on these minerals. People use them to treat acne, rashes, and dry skin, among other skin problems. So, why buy expensive creams and serums available in the market when you can simply add fennel seeds to your daily diet? Number 11. Gastric issues. Essential oils from fennel seeds are good for you because they make your digestive enzymes work better. There are chemicals in fennel seeds called anethole, fenchone, and estragol that help relax the smooth muscles of the gut. Because of that, they are great for helping with constipation, stomach pain, and bloating. If you want to keep your digestive tract healthy and happy, you can try fennel seeds tea. Fennel seeds also have fiber, and even though they are small, they have a lot of it. This can help your digestive health even more, and because of its antimicrobial effect, which comes mostly from the organic compound anethole in these seeds, it keeps bacteria from growing and making gases in the first place. Number 10. Milk production. Fennel seeds were commonly used in ancient times by conceiving mothers. They believed that these seeds were important for normal pregnancy. Some also believed that these seeds were some kind of magical foods that had the power to make the mothers conceive a boy. Some speculations might not be true, but they were not wrong altogether. Scientists have found that fennel has galactogenic properties, which means that it helps the body make more milk. Researchers think that the galactogenic effects of anethole are caused by dianethole and photoanethole, which are both abundant in fennel seeds. Not only this, but they also raise the amount of prolactin in the blood, which is a hormone that tells the body to make milk. So, whether you believe ancient civilizations or not, adding fennel seeds to a pregnant mother's diet isn't a bad option after all. Number 9. Hair benefits. Fennel seeds have vitamin C, calcium, iron, and magnesium. All of these nutrients strengthen your hair follicles and make your tresses stronger. Usually, our hair starts to thin and fall when they lack nutrients. Using fennel seed oil gives your hair the much required nutrition, and you have strong and healthy hair. Number 8. Menstrual problems. There are many things that can affect a woman's cycle. Chemicals in fennel seed called emmenagogues help the flow of menstruation. The phytoestrogens in fennel seed can also help with premenstrual syndrome and diseases related to menopause. Researchers have found that fennel can help make menstruation less painful. In ancient China, fennel seeds were also used to ease pain and relax women going through menopause. Number 7. Better eyesight. The combination of almonds with fennel seeds makes it great for eye health, as fennel seeds have potent medicinal benefits that can improve vision and reduce the progression of cataracts and glaucoma. When used regularly, these seeds also have the potential to slow down age-related vision decline. You'll be surprised to know that fennel seed water has long been used in traditional medicine as an eye wash. So what are you waiting for? Start adding them to your daily diet for better and long-lasting vision. Number 6. Bad breath. Taking fennel seeds will make your breath smell better, especially if you have bad breath. The antimicrobial compounds in these seeds kill the germs that cause bad breath. So, if you chew on a few fennel seeds, your breath will go away. You can also rinse your mouth out with lukewarm fennel water to get rid of bad breath. Not only this, but the compound that kills bacteria also soothes sore gums. Number 5. Antioxidants. Fennel seeds have antioxidant chemicals inside them. The antioxidants quercetin and chemoferol that are in these seeds are known to fight degenerative reactions and help keep people from getting old. Other than that, they're also rich in vitamin C, which is a water-soluble vitamin critical for immune health, tissue repair, and collagen synthesis. Vitamin C also acts as a potent antioxidant in your body, protecting against cellular damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. So for an antioxidant boost and to delay aging, start adding fennel seeds to your daily diet. Number 4. Weight loss. Fennel seeds are high in fiber, which may help you lose weight and keep you from feeling hungry. They make you pee more and speed up your metabolism. If you eat fennel seeds every day, along with a healthy diet and exercise, you can lose weight more quickly. To get better results, mix roasted fennel seed powder with warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. Fennel seeds are also considered appetite suppressants because they are high in fiber, which makes you feel full for a longer time. This could also help you reach your weight loss goals and stop you from eating too much. Number 3. Heart health. Eating fennel seeds is especially good for your heart health in a number of ways. They are high in fiber, which has been shown to lower risk factors for heart disease like high cholesterol. A review of 22 studies found that people who ate more fiber had a lower risk of getting heart disease. Heart disease risk went down by 9% for every 7 grams of fiber a person ate every day. Magnesium, potassium, and calcium are all important for keeping your heart healthy. All of these nutrients are abundant in fennel seeds. For example, eating foods that are high in potassium may help lower your blood pressure, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Number 2. Respiratory illnesses. Fennel seeds have properties that help you cough up mucus, which can help with respiratory infections. Because it has an expectorant in it, fennel seed is a good way to treat respiratory problems like cough, congestion, and bronchitis. For best results, you can drink fennel tea twice a day if you have a cough or sore throat. Number 1. Prevent cancer. The wide variety of powerful plant compounds in fennel seeds helps protect against chronic diseases, including certain cancers. For example, anipole, one of the main active compounds in fennel seeds, has been found to exhibit cancer-fighting properties. It is known that the extract can not only stop tumors from growing, but also protect the body from the side effects of radiation used to treat cancer. So these were all the health benefits of fennel seeds. We hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.